Something else that sometimes has been talked about is called a clue report.
Yes.
Because sometimes, like we talked about, the age of the roof or something like that, we may be dealing with a situation where we don't have that residential property disclosure or information from a source that could tell us what was going on with this house. Is it pretty standard practice that you all will run a clue report on a house, and explain to us what a clue report is?
Yeah. So a clue report is just like running the driving, right? It's a loss history. And the one thing that we do in our agency that's different than most agencies is we actually research those. So we get on the website, Ohio Crash Reports, and also with home losses specific to this. Then we actually we'll talk to the customer and say, hey, like what happened here? Is this something that something that should be chargeable? Like is it something that is going to affect your rate or create a surcharge? And a lot of times we can exclude things, or maybe it was something that was, like I said, we run the driving record, and sometimes it's reported as an at-fault accident by a different company, and if we can change it to a non-fault, that changes the entire picture for the pricing, of the house or whatever. So the clue report, I mean, sometimes it's it's the prior owner, or so you have to like drill down and do your research, and that's one thing that I really focus on in training our new agents is like to drill down and actually look at the data and don't just like do the quote and send it out and like whatever.
Right.
Communicate with the customer and teach every customer that you talk to. Teach everybody that you talk to. I want you to teach them something about home insurance.